Hi everybody, I'm Pia from Stitches and Scraps. Today I'm going to show you how to work the knit front and back increase, which is abbreviated KFB. I've knit the first stitch of my row and now I want to make an increase in this second stitch. When you look at this stitch, this leg that we normally knit into right here, this is the front leg. There is also a back leg behind here in the back, behind that front leg right there, and you'll sometimes see knitting through the back loop or through the back leg. What we're going to do is we're going to knit through both, first the front leg and then the back leg. So we insert our needle into the front leg and knit, but we don't take this stitch off of our other needle yet. So we just knit it, right? Now we're going to come around to that back leg. Do you see it back there? We're going to come around to that back leg and we're going to knit into that as well. So let me show you that again. I've just knit into the front leg. I'm going to scoop around to the back and stick my needle in just the back leg right there. And then I'm going to knit that as well. And this time I am going to take it off of my needle. And there you have an increase, knit front and back. Let's get to the end of the row and I will show you another knit front and back increase. Now when we did this increase, we did it in the second stitch. You would think we would need to do our next increase in the second to last stitch, right? But we don't. We actually go one stitch further in. And the reason for that is this increase makes what looks like one knit stitch and one purl stitch. This was the increase. These are the two stitches we got, and you can see the little purl bump here, right? Well, if we want that purl bump to end up 2 stitches away from the edge, because that's what it looks like here, then we need that purl bump to end up here. But when you work that increase, it does the knit stitch first and then the purl bump. Okay, so if we did it in the second to last stitch, it would do the knit first, then the purl bump, and the purl bump would end up here. That's not where we want it. So we're going to do it in this stitch. We knit, okay, and now we knit through the front or through the back leg, okay, and then take it off. And now you can see where it put that little purl bump, right? Which is now 2 stitches away from the edge. So I'm going to knit these 2 stitches. And then you can see the spacing comes out perfectly even that way. We have, let me get a pointer, 2 stitches and then the bump, 2 stitches and then the bump. And here, there's our bump and 2 stitches. So 2 stitches, bump, 2 stitches, bump. So if you want the bumps evenly spaced, you have to push the increase in by 1 on that side. And that's how you work the knit front and back increase. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, or leave me a comment. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching!